Hi guys, welcome back to the Crazy Foursome again. I'm going to be sharing some DIY cleaning product recipes that actually work, as this could save you money. You could put this money in your back pocket now and use it on Christmas or other things, or that major goal you're trying to set yourself. And these do actually work, so I use them myself. These recipes are all natural and easy to make, and they save you money while keeping your home clean and fresh. So my first recipe is an all-purpose or a multi-purpose cleaner. So to make an all-purpose cleaner, all you do is mix together equal parts of water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. So you can pick spray bottles up, or you could clean an old one up and use that. Add a few drops of your favourite essential oil if you want, or like me, I add my aloe vera from my lovely tree that's expanded itself, plant. The cleaner is great for cleaning countertops, sinks and other surfaces, so if you can, do that. Recipe 2 would be a glass cleaner. To make a glass cleaner, mix together 1 cup of water, half a cup of white vinegar, and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a spray bottle. Shake the bottle well before using. This cleaner is perfect for cleaning windows, mirrors and other glass surfaces, and you won't get that sometimes in the bought ones. They feel a bit, I don't know, that's chemically smell, so that is a good one to do. Number 3 is a bathroom cleaner. To make a bathroom cleaner, mix together half a cup of baking soda, quarter cup of hydrogen peroxide, could be other options, and you can do that. Makes it really clean. And 1 tablespoon of dish soap in a bowl. Use a sponge and be careful when using those bits and pieces. Use a sponge or a brush to apply the mixture to your bathtub, shower or sink. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse with water, saving you money. Or carpet cleaner. You might want to freshen your carpets up for the autumn and the winter coming up. To make a carpet cleaner, mix together 1/4 cup of baking soda, vinegar, essentials to save you money, and 10 drops of your favourite essential oil, or again, do what I do, grow aloe vera. Sprinkle the mixture over your carpet, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then vacuum it up. This will leave your carpet smelling clean and fresh. Obviously, if you're using any of these, my warning goes out to make sure it's safe for your products and your carpets and your walls and yourself. By using these DIY cleaning product recipes, you can save money and keep your home clean and fresh. Plus, you know exactly what is in your cleaning products, so you'll feel good about using them around your family and pets. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because I've got some amazing tips that will keep on coming that will help you go from struggling to coping. And in this world, anything we can do to save a penny, a pound, £100, whatever, it's worth doing. Those small savings truly add up and will make you become more financially stable. And that's what you need to do in life to be able to feel comfortable, safe and secure.